Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to mute accounts on Threads application. So there can be many reasons that you want to mute an account. Let's say you want to mute this one. So there is three dots on top right of the post. You're going to tap on it and there's a bunch of options here: mute, hide, block, and report. If you don't want to see this account's post, you can mute them. So if you tap on mute, just mute it. And there's another thing you can do. So let's say you want to mute this account. Go to his profile. And there is another three dots here on top right again. You're going to tap on it. And there's also mute, restrict, block, and report options here. There's also copy link and share. If you want to mute him, you're going to tap mute. And this account just muted. And that's it. This is how you can mute accounts on Threads application. Thank you for watching.